pretty cool part of any car's history is its participation in motorsport. The Alcyone, while it has not much history, did actually compete in a few things, so let's get into that. Even in the 80s, Subaru actually had some success with motorsports, mainly the Leone, but also the Alcyone.
Subaru は優美なエアロシェイプボディのアルシオーネで参戦。
So in 1985, Subaru took the car rallying, here in Australia, as a part of the Win Safari Rally. It competed alongside its brother, the Subaru Leone. Unfortunately, the car scored a DNF after badly damaging the radiator. In terms of Subaru-supported rally, this was it for the Alcyone. To gain a motorsport presence, Subaru at the time was offering the RX Leone at a subsidised price for privateers. This made it the rally car of choice. Because the Alcyone was a luxury vehicle, it didn't make sense to receive the same deal. Consequently, it only ended up in a handful of rallies. Before Subaru Technica International, Subaru lacked any form of performance division. So in the late 70s and early 80s, they formed SMSG, Subaru's Motorsports Special Group. And to do this, they contracted an existing third-party private tuner, Kit Trial, nowadays Kit Service. Kit would help SMSG and Subaru would help Kit. As a result, somewhere in the mix, Kit received the Alcyone, which they used for dirt trial. Of the cars to come out of Kit, my personal favourite will always be Ikochiaki's Kit Alcyone. It finished second in Class D whilst also making its all-star debut. I'll translate this for you. It reads, "The weight problem of the rider forced him to reduce the weight of the body, and his efforts extended to the bolt nuts. The hood, fender doors, rear trunk are made of FRP and carbon fibre to reduce weight. Even though this was its debut race, it was still a beautifully finished car. The Spartan and simple cockpit area is typical of a D vehicle. Eva Le Mans steering wheel can be seen. The engine is an EA82 1800cc with kit pistons, full transistor ignition and EGI. Its maximum output is 199 PS at 6800 RPM with maximum torque at 5200 RPM. The brake pads, clutch disc are Kit's original metal type. Pretty cool looking car." And that wraps up episode 3 of Level.
ますが、しかし